Why do 90% of people say bless you after a sneeze? Well, you'll be surprised by the answer. All right, let's dive in. Back in the olden days, people believed that sneezes expelled evil spirits or even a part of your soul. That sounds spooky, right? Saying bless you was like sending a little prayer to keep you safe. Fast forward to the 6th century and Pope Gregory the Great put his holy stamp on it. There was a plague ravaging Europe and sneezing was an early symptom. Bless you became a way to wish someone good health, kind of like saying, hang in there, mate. Now, it's just a friendly habit we've kept around, a tiny ritual of goodwill that connects us through centuries. So, next time someone sneezes, give them a hearty bless you. You're not just being polite, you're part of a long, quirky tradition, so who knew sneezing could be so fascinating? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts. Stay curious.